became friends, trying in vain to breathe the fire we were born in. Catching rides to the outskirts, tying faith between our teeth, sleeping in that old abandoned beach house, getting wasted in the heat. Hiding on the back street, hiding on the back street. We're so hard to deal with this. But our bright lights at night out on those back streets. Slow dancing in the dark on the beach at Stockton's Wing, where desperate lovers part. We sat with the last of the Duke Street Kings, huddled in our cars, waiting for the bells to ring. In the deep part of the night, the sailors loose from everything to know. On the back street, on the back street, we swore we'd live forever. On the back streets, we take it together. And Valentino Brad, where dancers scrape the tears up off the streets, dressed down in rags, running into the darkness. Some are dead, some really died. At night sometimes it seemed you could hear that whole damn city crying, blaming on the lies that killed us, on the truth that ran us down. You can blame it all on me, Terry, it don't matter to me now. The breakdown hit at midnight. There's nothing left to say. If I hated him, and I hated you when you went alone. Like an angel on my chest, just another tramp of hearts, crying tears of faithlessness. Remember all the movies Terry we go see, trying to learn how to walk like the heroes we thought we had to be. But after all this time to find we're just like all the rest, stranded in the park, and most didn't come first. We swore forever friends on the back streets until the end. Till the end. Me and you, baby. Me and you, God. Till the end. It's me and God. It's me and you, baby. It's me and you, God. Hiding on the back street, 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 hiding on the back street.